Here's how you download apps with Google Play here. So, what I do, hold a minute here. Oh, here's one. What one should I, Shazam, what's that? I don't know if I can use that. Guys, there's one code, Shazam. Alright, here's one. I'm going to show you the different ones. See, you could go on mouse mode. Oh, it's acting up a bit, but this is called Talking Tom. I don't know what he does. Well, let's see. Oh, Talking Tom. Yeah, it works. He's all opening right now. Let's see if I can install Talking Tom on my Google Chrome. This is called Google oh man. This is Talking Tom app. I think this kid rated version. I just go install. Like, watch. It's gonna install and then I'm gonna open it. Folks, this is it. It's installed. Wait. Oh man, but maybe I should go to my apps. Let's see if it installed. So you had to check if your app installed on the Google Play Store. See, this is it, folks. Guys, I can't show you too much, but that's it. That's all. There's more where that came from. What? That's it for now, folks. You're a request. Now it froze. But I'll like this. But all I want. See, that's how you turn off the TV too. That